What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a review of the beautiful new Bird scooters. They're one of my favorite new toys to ride around on. Everywhere I go, everyone's always asking about them, think they look so cool. So today I thought I'd break it down for you.
You've been acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately.
Basically, it's just your Razor scooter, a little more souped up, kickstand. You got your throttle, bell, handbrake. Pretty easy to use, very intuitive. As you can see, you just hold down the throttle, don't really do anything else. So yeah, let me break down how you actually rent one of these. So what you're going to do is when you see one, you're just going to zoom in on that, and boom, it's yours. There's a new little safety thing right there. They're making sure everyone has a helmet when they ride. I don't subscribe to that rule, but I heard sometimes police will be on the lookout. So if you're not wearing a helmet, you could get a ticket, which no one wants. As you can see, it has a very sleek design, beautiful exterior, powerful interior. Anytime you ride a Bird, you're pretty much the coolest kid on the block. Everyone's jealous. They get you from point A to point B. Pretty fun as well. It's funny because it also says 18 plus years old, but I've definitely seen like little kids riding on it. And one time I got one, and then these little kids ran up and they were like, "No, did you get the last Bird?" And I was like, "Yes, I did, suckers. See ya." That's it. That's my review of the Bird. Shout out if you want anything else to know. I got the answers. I got the Birds. Catch you later. Yep.